Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Be so strong that nothing can disturb your peace of mind. Talk health, happiness, and prosperity to every person you meet. Think only of the best, work only for the best, and to expect only the best. Forget the mistakes of the past and press on to the greater achievements of the future. Give so much time to the improvement of yourself that you have no time to criticize others. Live in the faith that the whole world is on your side so long as you are true to the best that is in you. You are as young as your faith, as old as your doubt as young, as your self-confidence as old as your fear. The higher your faith, the greater your power. Every thought you think is contributing its share to your life condition. To desire is to expect, to expect is to achieve. The real power is within you, and the first step to success is discovering it. Be enthusiastic for nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. Faith will light the way even when the road ahead is unclear. The mind is a magnet, and it attracts whatever corresponds to its ruling state.